Welcome to this tutorial on how to withdraw cash using an Allpoint ATM with Discover Bank. As a Discover Bank customer, you have access to a network of over 60,000 ATMs across the United States, including Allpoint ATMs. To get started, first locate an Allpoint ATM near you. You can do this by visiting the Discover Bank website or by using the Discover Bank mobile app. Once you have found a location, proceed to the ATM and insert your Discover debit card. Next, enter your PIN and select the language of your choice. Then, choose the Withdraw Cash option from the menu and select your account type. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to check your account balance before making a withdrawal to avoid any overdraft fees. Also, be aware of any daily withdrawal limits that may apply to your account. Once you have entered the amount, review the transaction details and confirm that everything is correct. The ATM will then dispense the cash and provide you with a receipt. It is a good practice to keep your receipt for your records and to verify that the transaction was processed correctly. Additionally, always make sure to take your card and cash with you when you leave the ATM. Discover Bank does not charge any fees for using an Allpoint ATM, but be aware that some ATMs may charge a surcharge. To avoid these fees, always use an in-network ATM. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw cash using an Allpoint ATM with your Discover Bank account. Remember to always keep your account information and PIN secure, and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions. With Discover Bank and the Allpoint network, you have convenient access to your cash whenever you need it.